This one tweak is about to change how you make money with your business forever. But it might not be what you're used to, and I feel like nobody's actually ready for it. What started out as me just wanting to run a YouTube channel to be the next Ryan Trahan actually turned into 2.5 years of maturity, discipline, and the creation of my simple business. The beautiful thing about turning views into sales is that once you find a system that works for you, you don't really have to run away from it, you just iterate. With AI learning and growing as fast as they are, people are afraid that they won't be able to find jobs, won't be able to start making money. And I had that same fear every single day. And that's when I realized that no one else can save me but myself. And honestly, if you don't start right now, you could be missing out on what your true passion really is. Purpose will take you a long way. It's something that's gonna get you excited to go to bed, even when things are going horribly wrong. But you see all the viral influencers with their clothing brands, trading, selling AI, brand scaling. But what is the root of their success? Like, where does that come from? Nobody digs deep enough to fully understand this come up and to repeat it. But it all stems from content. Brez, who just recently blew up and took over YouTube, TJR, Jordan Welch, they all do two extremely important things that all lead to that same virality effect. The way they create their brands makes it look like no one else is doing what they're doing, and to the extent of how they're doing it. And that's just really good content marketing. They make themselves look like they're the best in their thing and everyone goes to them for help. And that's how they make all of their money. Now, I've spent the last 2 years getting as good as I possibly can at understanding YouTube, being able to start a brand and then grow that brand through YouTube. My high value skill has been being able to get the right views for the right offer and make that offer extremely good and valuable. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a clothing brand or if you just have a skill that you're good at that you want to start creating content around to build a community or an offer. I've saved all of my notes so that you can use what I've learned and failed from to skip past that and see instant results. A lot of people will tell you to focus on leads, which I believe is correct, but you don't need to start with lead magnets. Everyone told me this and it wasted time, but I learned from it. You need to focus on the content. As much as people say that, you do. The biggest mistake you can make is focusing on the offer before having data, because to get leads, you need to pick your niche, you need to solve a problem, and you need to start some type of free or $5 a month community to start understanding what the people who are watching your videos actually need help with. That's how you create a valuable offer. 5 to 6 months ago, I did the same thing, and instead of making the mistake of just trying to sell anything, I waited, got good at the content I enjoyed posting, and then started creating offers based off of what people were struggling with. At the time, I was monetized. Most people can't get monetized, so I made an offer that was tailored to steps on getting monetized faster. Things you need to know that I did and failed with so that you can learn from me. Now, I've accumulated much over 300,000 views on this channel, and that has aided me in making my first 1K from YouTube. And the way that I did this is that you have a proven viral video idea that's outside of your said to be niche, and then a trendy niche specific video. So a video in your niche that just recently worked with a smaller creator. You take the influence of both of those and create a new video, which is going to bring engaged views. Because when you make a video like this, it's going to feel like it's something new to your niche. It's going to be a new angle, a new take, and that will make people believe that it's new information. So you'll start to get more engaged views because this is seen as new information. And with more engaged views will lead to more engaged leads. And also excited to wake up and spring you out the bed so that you can just get to work. You don't need to be original and create new ideas. You just have to be unique and know where to find ideas to create something new within your ideal community. YouTube has a odd misconception. It's literally a platform where you can build a brand so powerful that not only do they buy everything, but that you can build an entire community, get famous, and get to places where you would not be able to achieve without content creation, without a following. But now that you have part 1 and 2, you need to know how to sell it. So there's a ton of options that you can use. Instead of a lead magnet, all right? If you don't want to use a lead magnet, use Calendly. Have it the availability to book calls. It's free. WAP is also another free platform where you don't even need to use Stripe, which is a payment collection service. But WAP allows you to set up an entire thing, and you can link that at the end screen of your YouTube videos. Another thing that you just don't need a lead magnet. You just need to get good at content, get people to watch to the end of your videos. You can join the WAP. Discord is also free. Also having a Discord in your description to create a community and get people in there to ask questions, build communion, build groups. You can do that as well with school, but you have to pay 100 a month, but it's way more organized and you can do legitimately everything in there, like create your videos, create your products and everything like that. But again, for low ticket sales, you don't need lead magnets. And I believe that everyone should start with extremely low ticket just to develop the confidence that someone's actually buying something from you online and that you have the ability to sell something. Getting my first sales stockpiled my confidence and it helped me get to that next step of charging monthly, raising my prices, going from $7 or $2.47 all the way up 47 and beyond that. And that is what actually grows your business. I said it was a simple business for a reason. If you're new to this and want to save yourself over a year of failing so that you can align yourself with the right niche and actually start getting paid for creating what you love, or maybe you just want more eyes on your already proven business, you just need more traffic. If any of that is true, book a call with me. I'll literally reroute your entire process and tell you what you're doing wrong for free. And if you rock with me, you like my vibe, we can explore working together long term to get you more results faster.